What's up guys, TechTine here, and what an exciting day. Alright, so today I do have the brand new, fresh out the warehouse iPhone 13. And we're gonna be doing an unboxing and I will give you my first impressions. So yeah, without further ado, let's not waste any more time. We wasted enough time. Let's go ahead and actually get into the unboxing. Alright, so let's start with the box of delivery. At first I thought I do need my razor to actually cut through this this tape. However, I did realize that there is a pull tab. Thank you, Apple. Much needed. Alright, so yeah, it was fairly easy to pull unless you're using one hand and holding the camera with the other. Okay, so after I got this first box open, I am introduced to the actual box that I'm looking forward to, which is the iPhone 13 box. So yeah, Apple's boxing is just crazy good, and very recyclable friendly. So new here is we don't actually have any plastic wrap around the box. We only have two plastic tabs, one on the top and the other one on the bottom of the box. And they're fairly easy to pull out. And after that, just go ahead and lift the lid of the box and we have the iPhone 13 in all of its glory. It's looking shiny and new. Alright, so let's go ahead and lift this other white piece of paper and put the phone to the side. And we only get the iPhone cord, which is a USB-C to Lightning connector. Nothing crazy in the box. And you do also have your paperwork, your sticker, and your SIM tool. But we're not here for all of that. Come on. So let's go ahead and peel off this plastic tab. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and power the phone on, set it up, spend a couple of hours with it before I actually give you guys my impressions. So I'll be right back. Okay, so the iPhone is set up and complete, and I've spent enough time to give you guys my first impressions, and I am coming from an iPhone 12. So the first major difference between the iPhone 12 and the iPhone 13 is the fact that the notch is actually smaller. And let me tell you, when I saw the keynote and when I saw ads of it, I didn't think much of it. Yeah, smaller notch, I'm probably not gonna notice, but it's very freaking noticeable. So that's something to keep in mind. And you also have the display, which is supposedly brighter under sunlight. And luckily for me, I did have plenty of sun to work with today, so I did test it out. And yeah, it does seem to be brighter, but it's still, the sun wins every single time. Alright, so also the cameras on the back is now a much larger module. So bigger sensor, bigger module. It does have the same capability of the 12 Pro Max from last year with the sensor shift technology. And I'll get into that later on when I do an actual camera review. But definitely larger sensors, new sensors, expect better image quality. However, the camera still protrudes when you lay it flat on a surface. So keep that in mind. If that annoys you, it's still here, it's not going anywhere. So the sides of the phone are made out of aluminum, and it's what they call aerospace grade. On the left hand side, you do have your volume up and down, as well as your alert slider. On the right hand side, you do have your power button, and the buttons are freaking fantastic, just what you would expect from Apple. And yeah, the color itself, okay? So this blue actually is a nice color to me personally. I think it looks good. When you have it under bright sunlight, it does have a lighter tone, but indoors it does have sort of a slightly darker tone. And I think it looks fantastic. I like the way that this phone looks. Very similar to the iPhone 12, by the way. So I do have to do a lot of more tests, and I do have a lot of work to do as far as this phone. So more videos and more coverage will be coming really soon. With that being said, man, thank you all so much for watching this one. If you enjoyed it, leave a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Thank you so much for watching.